TRS4 Type 2 AC SPD, designed for AC surge protection against transient overvoltages caused by both direct and indirect lightning strikes. Pluggable design. Pluggable module design allows for easy installation and maintenance, enabling module replacement at end of life without the need to shut off power. Metal oxide Varistor. The MOV features a non-linear behavior. Under normal conditions, it maintains high impedance, allowing current to flow freely without interference. When a surge occurs, its impedance drops, safely diverting excess current and protecting sensitive electronics from damage. Status indicator. When the indicator light is green, it means the SPD is normal. When the indicator light turns red, it indicates that the module needs to be replaced. Terminal safety design. Safe creepage and clearance distances. Working principle. Adequate insulation spacing supports long-term reliability and compliance with international safety standards. The SPD operates normally when the surge current is within limits. If the surge capacity is exceeded, the arc extinguishing mechanism automatically activates to avoid potential fire causing, and at the same time, the visual indicator turns red. Wiring guide. The SPDs are installed in parallel across the live and neutral conductors, using connection cables with a cross-sectional area of 16 square millimeters to 35 square millimeters. Proper grounding is essential to ensure effective surge protection and safety. Wire the SPD's volt-free contact to the red and green status lights on the control panel, making sure the connection logic reflects proper operation. Green for normal conditions, red for faults. Confirm correct polarity and terminal mapping for reliable signal output.